I just want to talk a little bit about why this was, or at least put in some theories for why this was. Because again, there was no news announcement that came out for the dollar that would have caused this move. So the market was thinking something. And thanks to a little bit of research on the internet, I think I was able to find out exactly what that was. So the first thing was this. Apparently, allegedly, whatever you want to call it, the Bank of Japan made its rounds contacting other banks and doing a rate check. Now, this probably seems like nothing, but historically, this is something that is typically done before an intervention. Yes, that dirty word we've been speaking about with the Bank of Japan for the last month or so. So that's one thing that I think really scared the market. We've been talking about how they've been, I forgot the word we use, but they talk and they do threats, but this is an actual actionable thing where the market is maybe starting to believe them and thinking that something may be coming. The second thing, and this is on more of the geopolitical side of things, is that I think the market is banking on Trump doing something over the weekend, which he has historically done. We've got issues with a potential blockade of Cuba. We've got issues with Iran. And in the past, right, even this year, when Trump has done certain things, it has happened over the weekend. So I think this is also a little bit of a combination of the market taking the yen stuff into account, but also really positioning themselves in case something big were to happen over the weekend. And that's why I said, be very alert for the Sunday open and Monday's trading action, because if something does happen over the weekend, we are going to see that in a big way, and we're going to see the aftermath of that in a big way for days to come. Now, with that being said, our job as traders, as technical analysts, as chartists, is to not necessarily worry about what Japan is doing and what Trump is going to do or not do. It's to selfishly ask ourselves, if something does happen, how can we make money? And a lot of the opportunities we're going to look at today are looking at future potential levels of interest, particularly for counter trend moves. I think the move that has the biggest upside is going to be the counter trend move. It's going to be the market reacting in anticipation of something happening. That said, something does not happen, and then the market corrects itself and comes all the way back to where it started.